friends, this is Surendra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing mirror view dash camera G900 from Wolfbox. Actually, I am using one of their version G840H from last 8 months. It was very useful while driving because of this rear view whatever we have that directly streams into this dash cam mirror. Okay, so we can see clearly because it has a 170 degrees wide angle camera, and from last 8 months I am using and it is very useful. So I decided to upgrade to their latest version G900. G900 has 4K resolution front camera and 2.5K resolution rear camera with improved low light conditions, and they also have some improvements for reverse parking assistance. So let's see how good this G900 when compared to G840H, because G840H I am using from last 8 months. And buy this Wolfbox from their official website. So here, this is the official website. They have, you can see from their screen, some discounts are available, Christmas discounts. And what are the products they have? This G900, this is the latest version, and G850H and G840H, which I was using from last 8 months. So it's very good. So this G900, here you can see price starts from 249. Only if you want to select this only mirror view camera, and then it is 244. If you want hardwire kit, means you can use that hardwire kit for the purpose of 24/7 parking surveillance. And if you want a long cable, then you have so lot of different versions available. Based on that, one can purchase it. So this basically starts from around $250, and they give some discounts if you apply some code. This G840H is currently they are offering for starting from 106. So maybe that 106 is old one, but with good condition. The new one starts from $145. Okay, so it starts from $145, around $150, and the G900 starts around $250. So $100 difference. And whoever want to buy from Amazon also, you can buy. For example, India customers, if they want to buy, then they can buy from Amazon. But in Amazon, they don't provide hardware kit. After purchasing, we have to contact that seller. He will ship to our address the hardwire kit if necessary. So in Indian price, it costs around 21,300. There will be usually some discounts using credit cards. So if we can get around 1,500, you can get discount. So approximately around 20,000, one can get this beautiful G900.
So we have this long wire, 30 feet wire, I suppose. So this is the 30 feet long wire. Okay, and along with that, we have received Wolfbox. You can see here, and nothing in this box. So let me once again unbox this. So here is the box. You can see Wolfbox name here, and here it is G900. Okay, and here is its camera, and this side they have given 1 year warranty and other details. So let's open this. So this is the main piece. Looking very good. So this will be the 4K video resolution camera, and here you can see model number, 4K video, 4K mirror dash cam. Okay, G900. Yes. And the difference between G900 and G840 is this power supply. They have given C port and they have used capacitors instead of battery. It is very good sign. Okay, and here they have already included a memory card, which is I had a 840H. Compared to that, this is little less weight, so they have done a decent job. Okay, so that is a good sign. Fine. Here whatever we have here, this is for GPS. You can read here GPS, and this is for AV. Okay, and here power supply. Okay. Now what else is there in the box? We will see that. So let's keep this side. Oh, so many things they have given. One is this Hardwire kit for 24/7 surveillance. So this is you can see here they have written name, Dashcam Hardwire kit. Okay, model T27. Yes. So and here it is again port C for power supply. Okay, wow, this camera is really heavy, and this red wire is to connect for that parking line assistant. Okay.
Now let me show you how we can connect the red wire which comes along with rear camera, so that while we reversing, that green, red and yellow lines will come, so that we can easily park our vehicle. So first we thought that that wire is here, but for MG Astor the place to connect that red wire is placed here. So we have to connect that red wire to this lamp. So how we did that? If you see, there are no wires visible, so one can wonder where we have taken the connection. So we have taken the connection from here. So we have taken the wire from here, then inside here, and inside this black strip we have taken here.
Now we'll see how reverse line will work. So now you can see here this lines have come here, and there are three modes: low, medium, high. Okay. So distance, so this L will be more deeper to the ground, and H will be little bit higher to the path. Now if I change this, so it will, you can see on top whether anything it will touch us. For that we can use these things. Okay, so this is the interface of G900. To go to settings, click anywhere, then here resolution we can select whether you require 4K resolution. Similarly you have split time, whether
it should record for 1 minute or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, sound record whether it requires. Similarly, G sensor sensitivity usually recommended for to keep low. And then we have click tone, whether we require click tone or not. Screen brightness, it is set to highest. Okay, here rear camera brightness adjustment, I will keep it high. And time display on 24 hours format or 12 hours. We Indians select DDMM format. Then we have fatigue reminder, speed unit, whether it should be in kilometers per hour or miles per hour. We set to kilometers per hour. And time zone setting here, so I can, because I am from India, so I'll select this to 5:30 here. Okay, then GPS information, yes, it is on now, and language, it is English. Okay, I'll better to format because I have just updated this. Now you can see the set here. So
Thank you.